Hello and welcome to Htek's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce our Android phones UCV20 and UCV22, which we are going to release this year. As we all know, we are living in an era of touchscreens. Touchscreens are everywhere. They are on our cell phones, computers, tablets, and everything. So, maybe you are curious, can we have touchscreen on an IP phone terminal as well? The answer is yes, and that's what we are trying to achieve with our Android phones, to get rid of numerous buttons on the device and replace them with a nice smooth surface. So now, let's have a look at Htek's cutting-edge new products. First, I'm going to show you basic parameters of UCV20 and UCV22 and compare their parameters. If you are interested to know what the real thing looks like, please check out our unboxing videos of these two products. Now, let's get started. First, let's look at our smart IP phone UCV20. As you can see, it has a portrait screen. The 7-inch 1280 by 800 multi-point touch IPS screen takes up almost all of its surface. This phone does everything a normal IP phone does, with some extra features, mainly video features. It can register at most 16 accounts at the same time. It can have 3-way video conferencing and up to 10-way audio-video mix conferencing, within which there can be up to 2 video calls. UCV20 has no built-in camera, but you can insert a USB HD camera into its USB 3.0 port to realize video conversation. It supports 1080p HD video call, and the narrowband codec and the video codec it can use are as shown in audio and video features. You can check it out by yourself. And since it uses Android 11 system, it supports third-party Android applications as long as they are tested and verified by us. There are 8 feature keys distributed on both sides of the screen, such as volume up and down, transfer, conference, speakerphone, etc. And you can set as many as 36 one-touch DSS keys. As for the interface, it has a dual port for Gigabit Ethernet, and it supports Power over Ethernet. Also, it has a USB port which can be used to insert a camera, plus headset port, handset port, and EXT port. On the back, there's a stand with 2 adjustable angles. It uses an external universal AC adapter with AC 100 to 240 volt input and DC 12 volt 2 ampere output. Of course, this won't be necessary if you have PoE network cable. Besides, it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. And now, let's take a look at the other smart IP phone, UCV22. I'm going to skip the parts that are the same as UCV20 and just focus on the differences. The most obvious difference from UCV20 is its screen orientation. It has a 7-inch 1024 by 600 multi-point touch IPS screen, which is a landscape screen instead of a portrait one. And as you can see, the rectangular space under the screen is taken up by a speaker. There are only 4 feature keys, namely volume up and down, home, and back. This phone can also make video calls, and it has a built-in 2-megapixel camera. As for interface, besides all the ports that can be found on UCV20, UCV22 also has an HDMI port, a micro SD card slot, and a security lock port. It has a Type-A USB 2.0 port, as well as a Type-C USB 2.0 port. The built-in full stand of UCV22 can be stepwise adjusted to multiple angles, instead of 2 fixed angles. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Here is a comparison of the parameters of these two products, like what I just mentioned. If you are interested, you can pause the video and read in detail. That's all about our smart IP phones UCV20 and UCV22. Please check out our unboxing videos to see the real thing. And if you want to know more about our products, please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for watching and see you next time.